2019 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, remote engine start, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.